Everyone, I want to talk about this bathroom switch that I've actually had this in for about a year, and it's been working really well for us. You can see I'm a little behind on my home updates because one thing I want you to know is this has a deeper back here, so you need to get the proper depth on your electrical box. So I need to swap this out for the proper depth so that I can get this to sit flush, and then I can get everything fixed and worked out correctly. Some of the things I want to talk about, it has this humidity sensor here, and it has been working really well for us. Whenever we take a hot shower and it senses that humidity, it automatically turns on. But you can also just turn it on by clicking the switch here. You can probably hear it going on. So I usually turn that on right before the shower, but also you can have this if somebody forgets to turn it on. This will sense the humidity and turn it on right away. And that's a time switch, so it'll go for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I cannot remember. I'll add it to the video. But also, if you're going to the bathroom and you're going number 2, you can hit this fan as well. And the nice thing about that is if your kids hit that, it's automatically timed again, so they don't have to worry about turning it off. You can also set this up for a light. If your bathroom fan has a light on it, you can also set it for that, which we did. You probably see the light just turn on. That's not timed, but it is a nice feature to have. So I'm going to turn that off. But again, I really like the humidity sensor. I like the fan option where you can turn it on manually and off manually. And there's an automatic off on it as well. Just when you think about it, you need a deep electrical box for this to fit. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.